In this video, I will show you how you can create vector icons, illustrations and even 3D images using free AI tools. Let's see how to create icons using AI. To make the icons, you can go to this site. Here, you can create various drawings using AI. But first, you need to draw your picture and then AI will predict it. You can start over with the aspect ratio you want. Then you can get different tools. You can select the color and start drawing what icon you want. So I am going to draw an icon of music. After you have sketched your drawing, you get various options. You can select the drawing that you want by just clicking on it. After that's done, you can align the drawing to the center. To get the icon, just download it. By downloading it, you will get the icon in PNG format. To convert it into SVG format, you can go to Vectorizer.ai. Just drag and drop your PNG image here, and within few seconds, you will get the vector format of the image. Just zoom in and you will notice the difference. You can then download the SVG file, but still your icon is not properly created. It has a white background which is in the form of a vector. To remove it, I am going to take this vector into Figma and then ungroup everything. I will take this icon out so that it will separate, and now you can change the color of the icon as well. You can delete this frame and export the icon as SVG. To make illustrations using AI, you can use any image generator you want. I am using Bing Image Creator, which is powered by DALL-E. You can create good images using this free tool. While writing prompt, include the word illustration so that it will create illustration like images. Click on create and the image will be created in some time. Choose the best image from these 4 images and download it. After downloading, do the same thing which you have done with icon. Go to Vectorizer.ai, upload the image file and create vector file from it. Download the file after processing is done. Drag and drop this SVG file in Figma, then create another frame of any dimension you want. Take out unnecessary things, ungroup the vector and drag and drop the actual illustration that you want. Delete this frame. Now, if you only want the illustration, export the illustration as SVG without including the background. But if you wish to create a 3D card using this, you need both of them. So export them one by one as SVG file. To create 3D image, you need to go to Vectary. Here you can convert 2D illustrations to 3D. First of all, create a backdrop. You can change the color of this. After that, drag and drop the first layer of illustration that you created. Increase the value of extrude, which will give it a height. After that, upload the second layer of illustration. Increase the value of extrude for this as well to make it 3D. Adjust its height. You can also add 3D text if you want. You can also customize different properties of text such as font, alignment, color, font weight, letter spacing and much more. You can see that the text has gone into the illustration layer. To fix it, you need to rotate the text. After the 3D card is created, Group all the things together. Now you can align and rotate the whole card as you want. I am going to rotate it so that it stands upright. I am also going to decrease its size and fit it into the view. The final thing to add here is light. I am going to take rectangle light and put it here. You can change the color and the intensity of the light. One another light here, change the color and done. To export this, just click on download image. Hope you liked the video and subscribe for more videos like this.